Hey there, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're reviewing the top 3 best adjustable dumbbell set, perfect for taking your home workouts to the next level with space-saving, versatile, and easy-to-adjust weights. From beginner to advanced training, these sets have you covered. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 3, we have the Feierdun Adjustable Dumbbell Set. The Feierdun Adjustable Dumbbell Set offers a seamless and space-saving solution for anyone looking to elevate their at-home or on-the-go fitness routine. Designed to replace multiple traditional dumbbells, this all-in-one set features 5 weight options in a single unit, allowing users to tailor each session to their individual goals, whether that's toning muscles, burning fat, or building strength. With the ability to shift from 2 pounds to 10 pounds instantly, it streamlines workouts and keeps momentum high. One of the standout elements is the rapid 1-second adjustment mechanism. A simple twist lets you modify the weight without breaking your flow, making it perfect for high-intensity routines, supersets, or anyone who values efficiency during training. The design keeps you focused, eliminating the need for multiple equipment changes. Comfort is also a priority, reflected in the 4.5-inch TPU handle engineered to fit most hand sizes. The raised dot texture enhances grip, ensuring that even during sweaty sessions, the dumbbells remain secure and stable in your hands. The compact footprint, just 0.2 square feet, means these dumbbells fit effortlessly into any lifestyle. They slide easily into a gym bag and are convenient for home, office, or rehabilitation use. Their square shape provides stability, preventing unwanted rolling and adding versatility by enabling exercises like push-ups with confidence. Safety is enhanced through a 45-degree rotation and dual locking mechanism that keeps the chosen weight secure at all times. This thoughtful engineering provides peace of mind, allowing you to train with full focus and intensity. The Feierdun Adjustable Dumbbell Set combines convenience, functionality, and reliability in one compact form, making it an excellent companion for anyone committed to staying active anywhere, anytime. Next up, at number 2, comes the Northdeer Adjustable Dumbbell Set. The Northdeer Adjustable Dumbbell Set brings together thoughtful engineering and a premium build to elevate home workouts. Crafted with a frosted surface, each dumbbell carries a refined texture that not only enhances its appearance, but also helps resist scratches through daily use. The elastic, foam-covered handles offer a secure, comfortable grip, while the sturdy steel core supports up to 220 pounds, providing ample room for progression as your strength increases. Designed with an ultra-compact profile, these dumbbells are easy to hold and maneuver. Their compact steel construction allows a full range of wrist movement, making them suitable for both beginners seeking confidence and experienced lifters aiming for fluid, unrestricted training sessions. Every weight plate is precisely cut from solid steel, ensuring stability without relying on welds. This secure screw-in system keeps plates firmly in place, allowing you to focus entirely on your form without worrying about wobbling or slipping. Perfect for home environments, the dumbbells stand upright for convenient storage and remain odor-free, making them a clean and practical addition to any indoor training space. The upgraded silicone rings fit over the end caps to safeguard your floors and preserve the dumbbell's condition over time. Adjusting the weight is quick and intuitive. Each plate is clearly marked, and the no-nut system allows fast changes by simply unscrewing the plates. For even more workout variety, the included barbell attachment extends training possibilities, making this set a compact yet versatile solution for strength enthusiasts seeking efficiency and performance at home. And finally, taking the number 1 position, it's the Keppi Adjustable Dumbbells Set. The Keppi Adjustable Dumbbell Set is a versatile and compact solution for anyone looking to elevate their home workout experience. Designed as a 5-in-1 system, this set allows users to enjoy 5 different weight options within the space of a single pair of dumbbells, making it ideal for home gyms or small spaces. With Keppi's innovative 1-second smooth weight adjustment, Switching between weights is effortless. Simply turn the handle with one hand for instant changes, ensuring seamless transitions between exercises and a more efficient training session. Safety and stability are key features of this set. The dual locking system, combining a base unlocking mechanism with a secure dial system, ensures that the plates remain firmly in place during workouts. 8 safety slots provide additional reinforcement, giving users confidence while lifting. The ergonomic handle design features a textured, non-slip surface that resists sweat and improves grip, providing comfort and better control throughout every movement. Durability is built into the design, with the dumbbell plates crafted from high-quality steel capable of withstanding rigorous training while maintaining their strength and integrity. Beyond functionality, the Keppi adjustable dumbbells are designed to save space, fitting comfortably in a home, office, or gym setting without occupying unnecessary room. This combination of compactness, safety, and durability makes the Keppi set a practical and efficient choice for strength training in any environment. With its thoughtful engineering and focus on convenience, the Keppi Adjustable Dumbbell Set offers a streamlined approach to resistance training, allowing users to perform a wide range of exercises while maintaining an organized, clutter-free space. Impressive, right? These top 3 adjustable dumbbell sets make home workouts easier and more efficient. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Tech Product for more smart fitness gear guides.